Great event, really well organized. The venue is brilliant. Super happy to be here.
People are here, they want to learn, they will ask really good questions, and they want to know more about how to get the most out of their SharePoint.
Well, there are two reasons. One, to bring your skills up to date, keep up with the latest. And second is for the in-person communication you get at these conferences that you just can't get online.
I think it'd be lying if I said I don't get nervous a little bit when I speak. But if you're not nervous, then you're probably not challenging yourself as much as you should be.
This is definitely not just marketing gimmicks and smoke and mirrors. We actually show live stuff and we'll tell you what are the timelines, what's coming up.
The pace of technology change is going faster than ever, and technology leaders have more and more opportunity to help their organizations keep pace with change.
The SharePoint Online is evolving so fast that we have new stuff going live on almost every single week. ESBC is really the forum of having that discussion, teaching people what's the latest and greatest and how to be successful in SharePoint Online.